Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add and edit contacts in BoldDesk. These features allow you to keep track of customer information and have the most recent and accurate details at hand, thus reducing the chances of communication errors. First, let me show you the permission required by agents to add or edit contacts. They must have this create or edit contact permission assigned to their roles. All the system roles except for the agent role, by default, have this permission assigned. However, you can create a custom role and enable the Create or Edit Contact permission on the Contact module permission configuration. Next, I'll show you how to add contacts in BoldDesk. There are 3 ways to add new contacts. You can use the Add Contact or Import options on the Contact List page, use the Add New Contact option at the time of ticket creation, or use Automatic Contact Creation. First is how to add contacts through the Contacts menu. Sign in to your BoldDesk agent portal, then click the Contacts module and select Contacts. A contact list page will open. Click Add Contact and a form will appear where you can fill in the contact details. The mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. You can also add a new contact field to the form using the Configure Fields option, which will open a new field configuration page. This option is only available to users with the Manage Fields and Forms permission assigned to their roles. To learn more on how to add a new custom field in a contact form, follow the link in this video's description. Finally, click Add and the contact will be added to the contact list and a verification email will be sent to activate the account. You can also use the Import option to add new contacts or update existing contacts details in bulk. You can follow the link in the card above and description below to learn more on importing contacts and contact groups in BoldDesk. Next, I'll show you how to create a contact at the time of ticket creation. Agents can add new contacts when creating tickets on their behalf. This can be done when adding a requester or CC to a ticket. In the proper field, click Add New Contact and provide the name and email ID on the form that opens. On creating the ticket, a new contact will be created along with it. Note that only users with the Add New Contact at the time of ticket creation permission assigned to their roles will be able to perform this action. The added contacts will also receive a verification email. Additionally, according to the CC field configuration settings, new users who are included as CCs on a ticket through either the customer portal or email can be added as contacts. To learn more about how to configure CC field settings, follow the link in the card above or description below. You can also automate adding contacts through email. All email addresses in the to or CC address lines that are not already agents or contacts will be automatically added to the contact list whenever a support ticket is created. Finally, I'll show you how to find and edit existing contacts. In the Contacts listing page, click on the edit icon next to the contact you want to update. A dialog box will appear with the previously added contact information. Make the necessary modifications and click Update to save them. Additionally, contacts can modify their own profile information, such as name, mobile number, or other phone number, and update their account password details through the profile page. In summary, in this video, I showed you how to add a contact through the Contacts menu and when creating a ticket. I also explained how to find and edit contact information. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.